Welcome. In this tutorial, I will be showing you or teaching you on how to turn off sound in Facebook likes using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open your Facebook app. Click on the menu button or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. Now, you want to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Now you want to click on Profile Settings and scroll down until you see the Media and Contacts section. So now just go ahead and click on Sounds. And then here you just need to make sure that you turn off the switch for in-app sound. And that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!